Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to customize your Shopify store to make it truly your own. From changing colors and fonts to rearranging sections and adding apps, we will guide you step by step to give your store a unique look that matches your brand. Now, let's get started. To customize your Shopify store, click on Online Store. Then click here, and once you're in your themes, click here in the Theme section. Here, we will be customizing our page or site. We just need to configure the store by clicking here. For the header, we can edit it here. We can also change the pictures by clicking and then selecting an image. We can explore or select one from our computer. Just click and then add files. We can configure the page by products, collections, or menu list. We can edit this section here. Everything can be edited right here. We can replace or move anything we want. We can move the pictures or the text. And we can configure all of this. To check an app, we can edit everything according to our preferences. Once we are done, click Save. After saving, we just need to publish the store. And that is how we customize a Shopify store. With these simple tweaks, we can create a store that stands out, attracts customers, and reflects our brand perfectly.